Need to translate text and speech instantly on your Pixel phone? Google's Live Translate makes it very easy. Here's how to enable it in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap System, then select Live Translate. Now just turn on Live Translate with the toggle at the top. Next, tap Add Language. Choose the one you need and wait for it to download. For more control, you can enable on-screen text translation, show a floating icon for quick access, or tweak voice output settings. Now, whether you receive a message in another language, Live Translate will automatically offer a translation. You can even use it for real-time captions and phone calls. And that's it. Live Translate is now up and running on your Pixel phone. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.